So welcome at the University Hospital of Basel. My name is Florian Thieringer. I'm the co-director of the 3D print lab here at the point of care at the University Hospital, and on the other hand I'm the head of the Swiss MAM Medical Additive Manufacturing Research Group in Allschwil at the Department of Biomedical Engineering. Here at the University Hospital we take care of computer-assisted surgery, planning of surgical cases with the help of three-dimensional data. On the other hand, we print with one of our 25 or even more, nearly 30 3D printers that are located at different spots here on the campus, so that we are able to print with different materials, different models, up to patient-specific implants.